York calling the RDX that Acura showed at this year's Detroit Auto Show a concept was stretching that term to the limits of credulity. The production version of the 2019 RDX is here, and this turbocharged crossover with available AWD looks darn near identical. While it offers all-wheel drive like its Lexus NX and Audi Q3 competitors, Acura's next-generation SHAWD should be a serious selling point. Let's cover that super-handling all-wheel drive system for a moment. It takes power from the 2.0-liter, 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque engine and routes it up to 70% rearward, and there's real torque vectoring, rather than brake-based faux vectoring, to shift 100% of that rear axle power to either wheel. The broad strokes are similar to the outgoing model's system, but there's much more available rear power bias in the 2016 model, up to 40% could be sent to the rear. And that was up from 25% for pre-2016 models. The takeaway is that the RDX should handle a lot better on both dry and slippery pavement, and feel a bit sportier doing it.